Notion How to Delete Column. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, look at your desktop and take a moment to locate the Google Chrome shortcut among the icons displayed on your screen. Once you find the Chrome shortcut, move your cursor over it and double-click to launch the browser. After doing so, wait patiently while the profile selection screen finishes loading completely. When the available profiles appear, click your profile picture to continue. A new browser tab will then open automatically. Next, direct your attention to the search bar located in the center of the page. Click inside the search bar, type notion.com, and then press enter on your keyboard to navigate to the website. Allow a few moments for the Notion website to load fully before continuing. Once the page is ready, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Find the Open Notion button and position your cursor over it. Click the button once using the left mouse button. After selecting it, wait while your Notion workspace loads completely. When the workspace is ready, open the database page that contains the table you want to edit. Look at the table on the screen and identify the information displayed within its columns and rows. Find the column you want to delete by carefully checking the table headers. Hover your mouse over the top of the column so you can access its available settings. Click it once to select it and open the related options. A menu of options will appear on the screen after the column has been selected. Go to the bottom of the menu and review the available actions listed there. Click Delete Property to begin removing the selected column from the database. When the confirmation pop-up appears, carefully review the prompt and click the red Delete button to permanently remove the selected property from the table and complete the deletion process successfully today.